Yo, what's up, man? What's going on, man? Yo, what's going on, man? It's your man here, man. One more time, man. So, what's up, man? So, we have a question right there, man. So, let's do this question. So, this is another question right here. Let's see how we can. It's your boy again. So, let's see. So, we have a sine of 5x and the sine of 2x. So, for this case, don't apply double angle. You're going to be in trouble. You know what I'm saying? You know why? We don't have a power. We don't have a power. We don't have a power. So don't apply double angle there. If you do double angle, you're going to be in trouble. So if you don't have a power and you have a two tricky, look here. This is trigonometric and this trigonometric and there's multiplication between. So that's when you apply factor theorem. When you have a tricky and another tricky and there's a multiplication between, that's when you apply factor theorem. Let's see how we can do factor theorem. So this is how we do, man. Look here, man. So sine. So you're gonna have to pick the double angle. Okay, factor theorem. Let me show you factor theorem. Factor theorem. So factor theorem. This is what you need to know. Okay, write the formula of cos compound formula. For you don't know factor theorem always is factor theorem. If you want to make factor theorem, right, you have to start from double angle. For the most part in the books, they always give you factor theorem, and it's hard sometimes to memorize. But I'm going to show you how to get it. So you say, okay, so for me to get factor theorem, look, it's sine. So look, what is the compound formula which has a sine? Oh, that's a compound formula, of course. It's always a cos of A, let's say angle A, plus angle B. It always equal to cos of A, cos of B, and then this is plus, this always minus. And they say the same thing, cos and then sine of the first angle, which is A, and the sine of the second angle. So you look here, sine, and then you remember the compound formula. The other compound formula of sine, which we're not going to use, but I'm just writing so that you can see, let's say plus B, you know, it's always sine. If sine A plus B, you always write sine A, and then this sine A, say cos B. You memorize this, right? But it's in the books, in the all the sorts of mathematics for most of so even when you most of the books to write. So if this is plus, this could be plus also, and this is sine. You replace it with this cos. So you say cos and leave your angle, and this cos say sine. Like you replace this cos, right? I'm gonna say sine and leave your angle the way how it is. You know what I'm saying? So you look, this is a compound form that you need to know. So now you look, okay, so sine. This one doesn't have a sine. This it has a cosine. Sine cos cosine, but this has a cos sine. So of course I'm going to use this, so I don't need this. So this one I don't need. But what you should do now, so I'm saying write the same but I change the sign. So you're going to write cos also A and the same minus B. You write them together but you write different sign. Means this was plus and then this must be minus. So it's going to be cos of A and this is going to be cos of B. If this is minus, this is going to become plus. And the sine. So sine of the first angle and the sine of the second angle. Oh man, my head wanna fall. See what I'm saying? So now we go. What you wanna get? You wanna get sine. So you think of which sine should have. Now this is a compound formula, but we wanna make the factor formula from the factor theorem. So now it's okay. So now let's make the factor theorem. So for me to get sine, look, which sign should I put here so that should I put minus or plus so that I'm left with the sign? If I say plus, look, it's going to be cos, this cos is positive, this positive. If a plus, they're going to be 2 cos A, cos of B. And this is going to cancel because negative, same thing, plus. So I'm saying, which is going to be, if we add, this is going to be 2 of them. But this is going to cancel because look, negative sine A equals B plus sine A sine B means it's going to give us what? 0. And my intention, I don't need this and it's sine. So of course I'm not going to add. I'm going to have to subtract, man. Let's subtract. So I'm going to say, hey, let's subtract you, man. So when you subtract, let's see. So let's subtract this. So we're going to have a cos A plus B means the top minus the bottom, cos A plus B, and then minus cos A minus B, and then now this is going to cancel because plus minus plus going to cancel. So cos A cos B is going to go, but this one's going to be minus sin A sin B minus plus, which is going to be minus 2 sine A sine B. So I need sine means I need this only. So I don't need negative 2. So I'm going to divide by negative 2 throughout. Divide by negative 2 divided by negative 2. So this is going to cancel. So sine A sine B equal to this. So sine A sine B equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. And then over 2. Yes, negative 2. Excuse me, Paul. So now we know, look here, man. So we don't need A and B. What is our A? Our A equal to 5x and our B equal to 2x. So we're going to say sine. What is the A? 5x. Sine. What is the B? B is 2x. Equal to cos A plus B. 5x plus 2x equals 7x. Minus sine, cos 5x minus 2x, because we minus here. A minus B. 5x minus 2x is going to be 3x. Over 2. So what happened now? I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this factor theorem, but just get it now, man. This one right here, man. Come on. So we want to say, okay, so let's go, let's substitute, let's see. So it's going to be integral. So we're going to take this one here. This is what we need now. We don't need you here. So all of this over 2. So I can take 2 out. Over 2. And then this one right here, I'm not going to write to say cos 7x. And then dx. Because I can separate. And then you have a minus integral of the second one. Because there's a minus, which is cos 3x dx. With respect to x. So now what is the next step, man? These are half is for both. These are half is for both. Because look here, these are halves for both. It went out. And there's a cos integral of the first one, which is cos 7x minus integral of the second one. So now the question is finished. So it's going to be a half. So we know how to integrate. This is easy, man. When you integrate cos of a function, cos of, let's say, g of x dx, this same as say 1 over derivative this, which is going to give us g dash. And then when you integrate the whole cos, you're going to get negative sine. No, excuse me. When you integrate the whole cos, you get just sine, not negative sine of g of x. So I'm saying same there. So we're going to say okay. So it's easy. So I'm going to say here. I'm going to say okay. 1 over. I'm going to derivate 7x, which is going to give me 7. And when you integrate the whole cos 7 is going to give us sine of 7x. So we're going to do the same thing here. So 1 over, okay, differentiate whatever is in front of the 3, which is going to give us 3, because 3x, when you differentiate 3x, which is going to give us 3. So now we say, right, when you integrate the whole cos, it's going to give us sine by the same angle. So plus constant c. So the question is easy, man. It's finished. It's finished, man. So next step, so we can multiply that out. So it's going to be a half times 1 over 7, 1 over 14 sine 7x, a half times 1 over 3, negative 1 over 6, sine of 3x, plus constant. That's how you solve it. So it's easy, man. So if you have any question, first time on my channel, make sure you share with a lot of people, man. As you know, this program is for, for the women. So if you have a sister out there, man, you have a little sister, you have a little mom, you have grandma, you have your aunts, try to share with them, man. Come on, don't be selfish, brother, out there, man. If you have your, you know what I'm saying, whoever women out there, man, try to share with them, neighbor, cousin, friends, share with them. So I'm saying, thanks a lot for your time, man. It's your boy, man. Try to bottom, man. Thanks a lot, man. It's your boy Hamish, man. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for your time.